Cultivate the wisdom of the Om in under 5 minutes. Welcome. Namaste everyone. Welcome to today's pronunciation lesson. In this session, we'll learn the correct pronunciation of karma and also explore its different types. The word karma comes from ancient Hindu philosophy, and it means that our actions, good or bad, create consequences that shape our future. In simple terms, good deeds lead to positive outcomes, while negative actions bring challenges. Karma reminds us to be mindful of our words, actions, and decisions, as everything we do eventually comes back to us. Now let's focus on how to pronounce the word karma. In many parts of the Western world, people often pronounce it as karma, but the correct pronunciation is karma. Kar, a short kar, followed by a slightly longer ma. Karma. Karma. It requires a bit of practice, especially with the rolling R. I'll share some helpful resources below to help you master this sound. Now let's move on to Sanchita Karma. Sanchita Karma refers to a collection of all our past actions from our previous lives. Now let's focus on the pronunciation. Sun, like sun. Chi, short chi. Not chi. Th, short th. The same th sound as in Thursday, thunder, thorn. San, chi, th, karma. Sanchita karma. The next one is prarabdha karma. Prarabdha karma is that portion of Sanchita karma that we experience in our current life. It cannot be avoided. It must be lived through to be exhausted. This is why we often face certain challenges that seem unavoidable. They are part of our past debts being repaid. Now let's focus on the pronunciation. Pra, with a rolling R. Pra, slightly longer. Rub, like rub with a rolling R. Rub. The sounds like the English article the book, the bag, the. Prarabdha karma. Prarabdha karma. The last one is kriyamana karma. Kriyamana karma is the karma we create in our present life, which will shape our future life and experiences. This is the only type of karma we have control over. This is one of the reasons why I always emphasize the importance of being mindful. Karma doesn't care about our belief system. Whether we believe or not, it simply returns our actions back to us, regardless of our opinion about it. Now let's focus on the pronunciation. Kri, like creed without the D, and with a rolling R. Kri. Y, short y. Ma, slightly long ma. N, short n. Kri ya ma n. Karma. Kriyamana karma. Kriyamana karma. Now let me pronounce each of these words slowly at first and then at normal speed. Karma, sanchita karma, prarabdha karma, kriyamana karma. And now in standard speed. Karma, sanchita karma, prarabdha karma, kriyamana karma. And that's it for today's lesson, my friends. Thank you for joining me in this pronunciation lesson on karma. Until we meet again, may your days be as beautiful as your spirit. Namaste.